Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. In this video, let's try to solve number 27 TypeScript problem from BFE.dev. It's implement flat. Implement flat to flatten the tuple type. So this is an array. We flat it, it should be itself, and this will be some nested arrays tuple, and it should be flattened. Okay, so if we are to implement the polyfill for the array prototype for that, then we could have multiple approaches. One of them is recursion, right? So um, here, as I mentioned, every time when we are doing some generics, the generics in TypeScript actually, you can think of it like a regular expression plus recursion. So we can just extract the elements one at a time and put it into the final array tuple. If it is array, which we can which we could check use extends. If it's tuple, we can check use extends, and then if it is tuple, then we could just recursively call the flat itself. If not, we just put it in result, right? So yeah, let's do it. To hold the intermediate result, we can use the second argument, which is the result as a r, and it should be any. It's tuple type, and default to empty. Cool. And then we extract the first item out, which should be t if it extends. The first one should be infer r. The rest infer g. We get the first one and check if the first one is a tuple. So if the r extends any, if it is a tuple type, and then we could do what we would call the flat recursively, right? Yeah, we would flatten them, and then okay, let's leave it here. And if it is not, then it is not item. We could just put it into the R. So we flat first handle the one here, which is not a tuple. Flat. Now the rest would be the first parameter, right? And then we put the R conflict, so we just F here, and we expand the R and put F in the second run. So this is for the one here. If it is array, what we do? If it is array, we would flatten it and spread it to this R, right? So we would do the same actually. Flat G, which is the rest item. If it is a tuple, then we spread R, but for F, this is not it is not a single item anymore. So we spread and we flatten it and then spread. So flat, which should be for the first item, and it should be empty, right? Because we're starting it. So, and then yeah, this is it. And then flatten it, and then if it is not array anymore, if it's empty, then we could just return the R. Yeah, so this is it. Flatten F does not satisfy constraint any. Oh, R. It is not R, it should be F. I'm sorry. So, pretty straightforward, right? We'll just get the item one by one, and then recursively generate the result tuple here. And if we met some items which is also a tuple, we just call the flat recursively here, and then put it into the result. So let's try to see if they're right. A 1 2 3, B 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, perfect. I think it should work. Let's submit. Great. So that's it. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.